Welcome to Extra Stock YouTube channel. The benchmark indices experienced a sharp intraday rally on November 19, but ultimately surrendered most of their gains by the end of the day, reflecting ongoing market weakness. Investor sentiment was negatively impacted by reports of the Ukrainian armed forces launching their first ATACMS missile strike in a border region within Russian territory. However, Indian equity benchmarks, the Sensex and Nifty, managed to break a 7-session losing streak and closed higher, which analysts have described as a short-term relief rally. By the close, the Sensex was up 239 points, or 0.3%, at 77,578, and the Nifty gained 64.7 points, ending at 23,518.50. The market breadth was mixed, with 2,210 shares advancing, 1,578 shares declining, and 95 shares remaining unchanged. Among the gainers, PG Electroplast, CMP, 668 Indian rupees, saw a 7% surge after its wholly owned subsidiary, PG Technoplast, signed an exclusive manufacturing agreement with Spiro Mobility to produce Spiro's electric vehicles, EVs, in India. Shilpa Medicare, CMP, 879 Indian rupees, gained 2% following the announcement that its subsidiary, Shilpa Pharma Life Sciences, had received 2 certificates of suitability, CEP, from the European Directorate for the Quality of Medicines and Healthcare, EDQM. Z Entertainment Enterprises, CMP, 122 Indian rupees, surged 6% after Puneet Goenka stepped down as managing director while continuing in his role as CEO. GMR Airports Infrastructure, CMP, 80 Indian rupees, rose nearly 3% after reporting a 9.2% year-on-year increase in passenger traffic, crossing the 1 crore passenger mark in October 2024. PSP Projects, CMP, 667 Indian rupees, saw nearly a 4% rise following reports that the Adani Group was in advanced talks to acquire a majority stake in the Gujarat-based construction company. ATACMS Drugs, CMP, 581 Indian rupees, saw its shares locked in a 5% upper circuit after the company entered into an exclusive master sales agreement with CareGen Co. Ltd., a leading South Korean company in the nutraceuticals segment. This agreement gives ATACMS exclusive rights to sell certain CareGen products in India. Indian Hotels Company, CMP, 752 Indian rupees, gained 2% after unveiling its comprehensive 2030 strategy, with shares hitting a record high of 760.95 Indian rupees. On the losing side, Wary Energies, CMP, 2,883 Indian rupees, saw a significant drop of over 7%, ending a 4-day winning streak, after the company's second quarter earnings failed to meet market expectations. Shares of life insurance companies, including SBI Life, HDFC Life, ICICI Prudential, and Max Financial, fell by 1 to 3% after Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman advised banks to refrain from selling insurance and instead focus on core banking activities. Honasa Consumer, CMP, 262 Indian rupees, lost nearly 12% following a 20% drop in the previous session, as several brokerages raised concerns about the company's growth trajectory after it reported a quarterly loss. The Extra Stock YouTube channel is not responsible for any investment decisions made based on the content presented.